Hey guys, today is Wednesday, September 30th, and it is 1:44 p.m. Somebody who's looking at me won't stop eating her hands, and I just cleaned them. Like she doesn't listen. She doesn't listen. I'm looking at myself through the watch, so I see that I got a good view. Anyway. So, as you saw, I made breakfast this morning, which is something I haven't done in a while during the week, especially. But I got up early, around 10, even though I've been up before that to feed, Serenity or whatever. But I was still up because I was waiting for a package, so I was like half asleep anyway. And then I had my phone next to me, and the light was going off. It was my dad calling me. And then I went to talk to him for a little bit on FaceTime. Then, since I was already up and Serenity and Lewis was asleep, I went to go cook breakfast or whatever. So that's what I did. And then as I was cooking, the package came. Not even my package, Serenity's package came. Because I had bought her stuff freaking September 13th, before I even ordered anything else I ever got, like my birthday stuff, my freaking earrings, necklace, my Crocs, everything else. I ordered way after that stuff from H&M, and now it just came. Whatever. You better get your stuff while you can, because COVID about to hit. The numbers is going up again. And you already know. Any type of delivery service is going to be slacking like crazy right now. So yeah, I'm just sitting here with Miss Serenity. Say hello. She sees that she's on the watch, and that's what she was looking at too. Serenity. Hi, mommy. What? You see yourself through the watch? So yeah, she's just watching cartoons right now. This weather's so up and down. So we slept with the AC on again last night. It's been like the past 3 days we slept with the AC on because it's been hot outside. But now we woke up this morning and the house is cold again because it's breezy as heck outside. The trees is moving. I can see them through the window. So yeah, just relaxing right now. I'm under my blanket. She's under her blanket. We just chilling. Yeah, I gotta make dinner later on today. I gotta give her a bath today. Yeah, I'm over here just looking at stuff that I'm thinking about ordering. Well, I'm already have to order her baby cereal soon. Doctor's appointment is that week for her 4 months immunization recipes first, so I know what I'm gonna make or whatever. So that's what I'm gonna do or whatever. I'm still searching, like, if I wanna use a certain brand to be the baby cereal so I could order it now. Because if I choose that one, I could get it in multiple packs. I just want to make sure if that's the one I want to get, because it is organic, but I want to make sure it is a good brand overall for her to use. So that's what I'm trying to see. I'm gonna start like the first week with just the one fruit, one vegetable, and then I think halfway during the week I would start with her trying the baby cereal to see, and that's how we're gonna work things out or whatever. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So anyway, I'll be back later if I have something else to say. So see you later. See you later. Oh wow, that was real nice of you. All right guys, see you later. So now I'm working with one, so when it does, I have to charge it for